Here's an updated look of our two office buildings for eBay. Here's my wife's office building, which is an old wash house. All right, we're in. You can compare to see the difference between 1 year ago and now. There's something different. All that's about the same. I hung a bigger TV on the wall for the security system. Here's all the swimming pool stuff. And filing cabinet. Alright. Here's my office with the heat pump. Yeah. Oh, I gotta redo this video. Nah. I'll make a short one here in a little bit. Up. The stuff in the white tubs is from 3 and 4 years ago. It's where we keep the neighbors' papers. Old school desk. You always wonder what's up there, right? Well, it's some of that. Top of the lake. Oh, look, it's a view. It's a drone. You gotta have the mini fridge. VCR DVD combo. And the TV. I had a record player there, but I moved it across the hill. Alright, there it is. 1 year later. The two small, very small office buildings that we sell on eBay through 2 different accounts. And we compete weekly to see who can sell the most on eBay. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.